Guys, welcome to my video. Today I got this one cool coffee machine. Now we cut it. There. Now we opened it. Opened it. There. Now we opened it. There. Now we opened it. Wow. That's so cool. There. There. Look at cool vending machine. Wow. That's so really cool. Wow, and the cookies in here. The cookies in here. The more. Where's the mix? There. Now we have this one cool coffee machine. Now we put like this. Go inside here. And now we do like this.
Don't focus. They can see from here. See?
Look, we have like this cool vending machine. We do like this. Look, first this make it put and it's coming down here. First, and now this one is coming down here. Now we put.
And what is this?
And now we put this one's milk. Look, this milk. Now this one's sugar. This one's sugar. Now this one mix. This one mix one.
Spoon.
Now this one's milk.
Yeah.
The
Stir.
mix spoon.
Stirrer.
This one's mixed with spoon. Now we put the first milk inside like this. Now we put the sugar like this. This. Now we put it inside here. Now we do like this. Like this. Now we do that 24 hours. Now we go back to sleep. The next morning. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, the next good night. I'll wake up. Yay. Now we go make some different cookies. There. Now, so hot. Now here we go. There. I want to do that again, Mama.
Oh, you say thank you now for watching.
No, I
Are you
want to
done?
do it again.
Why do it again? Why say thank you guys for watching now?
No, I want to do it again.
Why do it again? You want to say something again?
Uh-huh.
And then say bye-bye muna and then you make another one.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. Stay happy and wild up. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe here.
Subscribe here.